Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Fortron Academy. My name is Harshvats, and in today's video, I am going to tell you how to organize your folders in your Gmail account. Now, let's move forward and talk about the point to be discussed in today's video. In today's video, we are going to talk about 4 points. In the first point, I am going to tell you how to organize folder in Gmail. After that, we will talk about how to make multiple folder in your Gmail account. After that, we will tell you how to combine your multiple folder into single heading. That means we are combining the multiple folder into a single header. After that, we will tell you how to transfer your mail into the folders that you have created. So these are the things that we will discuss in today's video. Now let's move forward to our Gmail account and see how can we organize our Gmail account. Now we are in our Gmail account and this is what our Gmail accounts look like. So first question arises is why do we need to organize our email? So if you see there are less mail in this email account because this email account is recently made. So that's why there are not lot of emails in this account. If there are a lot of emails, if I haven't organized my account, so if there are a lot of mails and that is not organized, it will make a cumbersome for me and I won't be able to focus on the things that are important to me or that are related to my particular social media or my particular courses or something like that. For that, I need a certain organization because organization will help you in your long term. So how can we create an organization in our Gmail account? For that, you need to scroll down in your section and click on more, and this will be much easier if you are new to your Gmail account because this will help you to create a lot of labels. And once you create that, and if you use an automatic filter options, you can certainly have a Gmail working for you, in which if you receive a mail from certain person, it will directly go to that thing. So how, first of all, we will cover it point one by one. So first of all, how to create the labels. For that, we will go into the manage labels, or you can directly create a new label. So first of all, I will create a new label. So I will create a label that is social media. So this is one of the main important label that is usually used by every person. Like if you have a Facebook account, you have a YouTube account, there are multiple mails that you receive. So you want them into a social media. So I will create this. But there are a lot of social medias. So how can I make that? So create more new labels. So I will create a mail label for Twitter. After that, create. After that, I will tell you how to clutter them and how to uh, get them in one heading. After that, we will go YouTube. YouTube. After that, YouTube, we will go into Instagram. Create new label. You will go into Facebook. Create. After that, you can go for LinkedIn. And this is what we have done. So now we scroll above and see there are a lot of categories, or you can say a labels has been created in your email. Now you can see categories that are Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, social media, Twitter, YouTube. So I need one thing now. I need my labels to clutter into my multiple labels into clutter into one. That means I want my Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter into social media. That means social media will be the main heading and all this will be the subheadings. So how can I do that? For that, you have to go into your manage labels. When you click on manage label, you will see something like this settings, in which you will scroll down and see there are a lot of categories. Create a new label. So you want all this in a social media. How can I do that? For that, you just have to click in here in Facebook, click on edit. When it goes you into a edit option, go into next label under. So I want it under social media. So after that, click on save. Now you will see it's under social media. So this is the heading and this is the subheading. After that, I want Instagram also under social media. Again, I will click on edit, nest under, and this the parent will be the social media. Again, I will save it. Again, I will do for LinkedIn, and again, I will nest under, and the parent will be the social media. After that, again, this is done. I want to do it for the Twitter as well. Again, nest under, again, social media. Click on save. Now it's for YouTube. Again, I want my YouTube in nest under the social media. After that, click on save. And now, when I go back in my email and scroll here, you will see a social media category. So if I click on social media, there are social medias account that I have. So there are particular no categories. If I click in here, there are Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube. So these are the things that will be available to you. And one of the most important thing you can always create, if you have different, if you do not have a different personal and professional accounts, you can always create a distinction based on that also. You can create a label for personal and professional. So these are the two new uh, labels will be available to us. If you want to add the personal for the particular email address, you can also create a new category. For example, the personal mail from your wife, sons, or something like that. For the professionals, you can directly attach a filter, automatic filter for your boss. Whenever you receive a mail, it will directly go into the professional because your boss is something which is very professional. So now, so this everything has happened. Now I have to tell you how to transfer this mail into these categories because that is the most important thing. So if we go into our inbox, you will see we have a multiple mails. So there are multiple things through which you can transfer this. Either you just click on your mail and in here you will see move to. If you move to personal, professional, social media, particularly into Facebook, social media into Instagram, into LinkedIn, into Twitter or into YouTube. So if I transfer into social media YouTube, you will see it will be removed from here because in important it won't be there. Again, we go into the social media. So now you will see there is no conversation in this particular, but we have in a YouTube. And in YouTube we have, when we click again, you will see it's a social media YouTube. When I remove the label, it will again go there. This is how you will convert it. And in certain cases, if you want it for working in an automatic manner, then you just click on more. After that, filter message like this, and in here you will see something like this. After the less than, and create a 2 MB has the subject test, or you can say YouTube, because this is particularly attached to YouTube, and you can create a filter. So when you create a filter, it will ask you and categorize them. And this is how you will make for the YouTube work for you. And you will forward it, you will send it template, always mark as importance, categorize as, you can always do that. So this is how you will create a filter for that also. Or for particular thing, if you want to transfer again, like for inbox, that is also simple. If I want to transfer this Gmail into my social media, that you again just click on your email, again just move to whatever thing you want. Social update, form, promotion, doesn't matter. And this is one of the best thing about organization. And this is the one time work, my friends. This is the one time work. Once you are done with it, you do not want to do it again, and your life will be much easier with this simplicity, because the organization is there to work for you, and it will help you in long term. So I hope this video not only helps you in doing the filtration, but it will help you in a long manner to organize your Gmail account. So with this point, I'm going to end this video, and I hope your queries have been cleared. And if not, kindly write us in comment section and we will surely get back to you. And if this video has been any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.